and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Diablo 4 summons of the Deathless quest bug. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to simply restart the game. So this is the first and the easiest solution to try, so which is to restart the game. So sometimes bugs can occur due to a temporary glitch in the game. So restarting the game can help in resetting the game and resolving the bug. So just try closing the game and restarting it again to see if the bug is resolved. And then next, what you can do is to check for updates. So just make sure that your game is up to date with the latest updates. So Blizzard Entertainment regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve game performance. So check for updates and install them if available. So this can help in fixing the summons of the Deathless quest bug. Then lastly, what you can do is to try a different character. So if the bug is still not resolved, you can try creating a new character and see if the bug occurs again. Because sometimes bugs can be character specific, and creating a new character can help in resolving the issue. And then if the fixes that I've told you still didn't work, what you can do lastly is to just wait for a fix. So you can just keep an eye on the official Diablo 4 forums for updates on the bug and possible workarounds. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.